Hi, I'm Victoria Gordon, and welcome to the Eclectic Yogi's Breath Awareness Meditation. This is a very basic meditation that you can do pretty much anywhere. If you prefer to lie down, you can lie down, but ideally you want to sit with a straight spine if you're sitting, so either in a chair or a comfortable seated cross-legged position. So just begin to follow along, and then if you find yourself kind of dazing off, just tune inward to the rhythm of your breath. That's the main point of this exercise today. So please join me by closing your eyes and just noticing the way that you're sitting. Notice the length of your spine. And just feel your shoulders. Feel the shoulders and allow them to just gently relax down and back. So there's no weight on your shoulders. Just let them release, let go. Whatever you may be holding on to or clinging to. Let the shoulders be heavy. But let the chest be light, be soft. The belly soft. Even soften your gaze with the eyes closed, so let your eyes sink into their sockets a little bit more. Heavy eyes, soft face, soft inward gaze. And as you're noticing the body as it is, nice and relaxed, begin to draw your awareness to your breath without doing anything to change it. Just notice the path of your inhales as they enter through the nose, move through the throat, and open up the chest, the lungs, and into the belly. Just feel that full drinking in of the inhale. And feel your exhale. Just feel your belly soften even more. The lungs, the chest just relax and contract inward. And even the throat release all the way out through your nose. Just like a steady stream of air releasing any tension with the breath. And now begin to just deepen that experience, deepen your inhale. Really fill up the belly. Feel the rib cage expand and open. Feel the heart center lift up towards your chin. And even feel the inhale so much as though you could inhale the top of your head. Full upward lift of your inhale. And then deepen your exhale, softening the belly a little bit more, drawing your navel in so it arrives at the back of your spine. Notice the rib cage draw inwards and contract, the chest settle down, and feel the exhale release from the base of your spine or from your feet, from your toes. Just let the energy flow downward. The softening, the release, dissolving any tension, anything you want to let go of. Dissolve it with your exhale. Stay here as long as you can, even if it's only 30 seconds or a minute, but just using this 1 minute or whatever it is to close the eyes, Let your eyes relax and let the body just find its natural rhythm. Let your mind's eye tune into that softness, that natural quietness, and sense of inner peace. Continue as long as you'd like, but when you're ready, just softly blink the eyes open. Maybe draw a small smile to your face. And bring your palms together in front of your heart, bringing in all the peace, the good energy with the inhale. And again, letting go of any remaining tension, negativity, restlessness with the exhale. Bowing forward. Namaste.